Michaels Valentine's Day products. I'm really hoping that all of their Valentine's Day products are up and on the shelves. Let's go inside, browse, and do some shopping.
As soon as I walked in, I saw these round boxes with beautiful gold lettering and these amazing artificial red roses. And these are $14.99. And let me show you some of their wreaths. Here they have one with the conversation hearts, and then they've got some beautiful red, white, and pink mesh. And this one is listed at $79.99. This one has the burlap and the pink and the red mesh. And you can see a wooden sign in the middle that says Happy Valentine's Day. This one is listed at $69.99. And in the middle of the design, like I said, it's got the wooden, it says Loads of Love with a little red truck on it. Here is another beautiful wreath. This one in the middle has a wooden plaque that says XOXO in the red, white, and pink. And it's got the heart shape. This one is actually listed at $79.99. And similar to the white box that I showed you earlier with the gold lettering, this one is filled with pink roses. And here is another wreath, very beautiful with some wooden beading. You can see the word love in the middle. And look at these gorgeous roses. And this wreath is heart-shaped with a lot of beautiful red and pink flowers. Mostly roses, and it's at $39.99. Now they do have a full stock of ribbons, so it's definitely time to run out and grab some, and I will quickly show you the designs that they are currently carrying. The mesh options did not seem as large as the ribbons, but nonetheless very pretty. Now I did head over to the home decor pieces. They had a beautiful framed artwork like this one here. I'll get close. It is a print, but you can see like a semi-gloss finish to it. And this one is $14.99. And here is this beautiful banner. And look at the 3D roses on here. There's like felt, there's embroidery, little pom-poms. Absolutely stunning. This one was very well made. Here is a little kissing booth sign. And here's the word loved. It's wood and it's carved out beautifully, and you can see the thickness of it. And it's only $14.99. I love that little white stitching on the edge of it. And this wreath is actually made out of little wooden hearts. Now bring that close so you can see the dimension. And in the middle it says welcome. This one is only $14.99. And here are some additional little wooden cutouts. This one's in the shape of a little coffee cup. And you can see here it's $9.99. And in the front, that little piece is actually tin. And here, I love this little wooden sign that says love. What I like are the little hinges so that you can shape it any way you would like. And this frame actually has the alphabet in the middle. You can see where the I, where there would be an O, is a heart, and then the letter U is all in red. And this is $9.99. Here's another framed piece. It says the word love, and the little heart, you can see it kind of bouncing around. That is also tin. And this one is $14.99. And here is a larger wooden sign. I will back this up so you can see it just a little. And here is another larger wooden sign. It's got the word love in the middle. As you can tell, you can see the little white stitching around the lettering. This one is $19.99, and it does look like a shutter. Now this wooden sign spells out the word welcome. They're individual letters. They're being held by nautical rope in the back. And again, the little stitching design on each end of the letters. Here's a round wooden sign with the little red truck. This one is $9.99. That says special delivery, hugs and kisses. I thought this was super cute. And this wooden cutout is in the shape of the back of the truck. It says loads of love, and you can see these cute little felt roses inside, and this is $14.99. And these little decorative ceramic gnomes are $9.99. This sign says love, and it actually lights up. You can see the little light bulbs right there as I turned it to the side, and it is metal. And as you can see, it is battery operated, and the price on this piece is $29.99. Now this little wooden piece says love meter. Could be kind of dangerous as to where you put the arrow when you give this away. Anyway, it is $9.99, but I did think it was an adorable piece. And I did find several boxes of these little hearts. They are by Ashland, and they are little ornaments. Some are glittery and some are just shiny. Some are much smaller than others, and here this one is actually a combination of the red and the pink colors. And these little felt stuffed hearts are listed as table scatters. And I thought the stitching on here and the edging were really cute, and these were only $5.99. And I did run into the narrow ribbon, and I'll just quickly glance through and show you the patterns they have. And this package of 6 heart containers can actually be filled with little candies or love messages, and these are only $6.99. Now moving into their gift wrapping and packaging area, this bag of foam-shaped hearts is $6.99. And I will quickly show you some of their gift bags, heart-shaped boxes, gift wrapping paper, and other items for shipping if you end up sending something out or creating your own DIYs for some beautiful gifts. And here they have some beautiful crafting tape. I'll bring this up close so you can see the designs. And as you can see here, this is $5.99. And here they have some beautiful pads of paper with pre-printed Valentine's Day designs. I was going to flip through it, but as you can tell, they are sealed on the sides. I'll show you the front of it so that you can see what it looks like. This larger pack is 48 sheets, and this one is $19.99. And I'll swing back over to the first pad of paper. This one has 24 sheets, and this one is actually listed at $6.99. Here is another designed paper for $6.99. This one's got 12 designs on there. Now this is a great gift idea. It's called the Memory Explosion Box by Recollections, and you can add photographs or maybe little sayings or messages that you would like to each of these little sections. I did run into quite a few Valentine's Day stickers, so I'm going to try and scan through some of the more unique ones so you can see what they have. And if you're into making your own greeting cards, here are some beautiful little stamps. And here they have these little jars with different types of heart-shaped glitter. And if you plan on having a Valentine's Day party, here they have some beautiful kits with balloons. This one's got garland. I like that little love word spelt out in a balloon shape. And this would either be great for a home or even a classroom setting. And this garland is actually felt hearts that are all connected together. And as you can tell here, they have all of the makings for a great party. You've got the paper plates. Here is a backdrop with lots of hearts, and this one is priced at $7.99. And they also have a backdrop that is all fringes in different colors, and this one is also listed at $7.99. And if you want to have some additional kitchen decor, here is a mug. This one is listed for $4.99. Here's some stemless glasses. Beautiful little heart prints on it. This one is listed at $4.99 as well. Here is a beautiful platter. This one is actually plastic, and this one is listed at $7.99. They do have beautiful little serving bowls. You can fill this up with maybe little nuts or candies. This one is only $3.99. Look at this Valentine's Day bowl. It is plastic, but it looks like a piece of art, and it's only $5.99. This Valentine's Day treat stand by Celebrate It is only $9.99, and right next to it were the cupcake wrappers. They're all decorated for Valentine's Day as well, and each package was $3.99. And of course, right next to that were all of the cupcake toppers. And if you like to make treats to give away, here they have this treat box. It comes in a set of 2, and these are only $4.99. And since we're talking about treats, let me show you some of the kitchen items, such as this ramekin. and all of the sprinkles and frosting and baking tins that you can use for creating your cookies and baked goods. I was walking over to the Michaels floral department and I happened to notice this garland. These are made out of little felt pom-poms, and these have the pom-poms with hearts. And this garland is strips of fabric that are tied together, and you can see the burlap and different shades of pink, and they also have one in red. I also found these heart-shaped wreaths. They are covered in tinsel. This one's got like a red and a magenta color in it. And these tinsel wreaths are priced at $9.99. They also have these matching heart-shaped floral picks. Some are red, these are pink. And as you can see here, these are priced at $2.99. And here is another floral pick. These are hearts where it's open in the middle, and these are also listed at $2.99. And these 3 floral picks are actually individual ones. They are felt, they're stuffed in the middle, but they have the little messages, and they are each $2.99. And as you know, Michaels has a beautiful array of artificial flowers and always high quality. So I'm going to quickly scan through, show you what they have for the Valentine's Day season, and a sneak peek of what they've already put out for spring. These flowers are actually from the holiday collection, and they were 70% off. So I went ahead and picked some up so that I can create a Valentine's Day arrangement. And these were the ones that I ended up picking out. And as I was leaving, I ran into a lot of Hello Kitty items, and I thought this would be perfect to be able to use for Valentine's Day for your little ones, or maybe even at school. I love that I'm able to incorporate these floral picks from Christmas into Valentine's Day. So it is dark, but it's not that late, so let's see what else I do. Okay, that was so much fun. We were at the right place at the right time, fully stocked, like freshly stocked. And these are actually Christmas floral picks, but because of the deep pinks and reds, I am going to go ahead and make a Valentine's Day arrangement with it. So anyway, let's go ahead. I think I'm going to stop at the Dollar Tree, and I need to be careful when I'm walking because there's a lot of ice, and then I'm going to go home. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If I don't, click back on, but let's make one more trip if I can get it before it gets too late, and then I'll see you in just a bit. If not, I will see you in the next video. And I did forget to mention that because these were all, look at this, how pretty. Because these were all 70% off, I only paid $11 for it. So anyway, it's really cold out here, so I'm gonna get in my car and let's head off to the Dollar Tree.